In this video, I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Google Workspace so you can start using Gmail and other Google tools with your custom domain name. Let's get started. First thing first, Google Workspace is not free like other services of Google like Gmail or Google Drive. So you need a plan, or if you want to try it for a period, you can do that too. So, first step is to buy a Google Workspace plan, or log in if you have already bought. First, go to the official Google Workspace website and choose a plan that suits your needs. Click on Get Started and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you use the same domain name that you have purchased from GoDaddy. I have already a plan of Google Workspace, so I am here at the dashboard. Here, scroll down, you will see options at left side. Click on it as shown in the video. You will find domains. Here, you will see Add Domain and follow as said on the screen. It will show Let's set up your domain. Now click on Get Started. Verify that you own yt-pmn.online. Here select GoDaddy and click Continue. It will give you TXT record to verify ownership of domain. Step 2. Verify your domain ownership. After setting up your Google Workspace account, Google will ask you to verify that you own the domain. Choose GoDaddy from the list of domain providers when prompted. Now log in to your GoDaddy account in a new tab. Here comes two methods, manually and automatic. In manually, you will have to copy the TXT and NX records and paste at DNS records section in GoDaddy. But automatic verification is amazing and very simple. Just grant access to Google Workspace for GoDaddy domain and it will be updating both the records swiftly on its own automatically. Hit Verify finally and you are good to go. Gmail is ready. Your GoDaddy domain is connected to Google Workspace and you can use email now. Step 4. Test your email. Now go back to your Google Workspace dashboard and complete the setup. You can now open Gmail and try sending and receiving a test email using your domain email, like admin@ytpmn.online. It should now be working perfectly. Final tip. It might take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate, but most of the time it's much faster. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now fully connected to Google Workspace. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tutorials.